All right, welcome to science time. This is the first time trying this, so be patient with me. Okay, so today for our science activity, we're talking about textures, and we're going to talk about them a little bit, and then we are going to, experiment's maybe not the right word, but we're going to do an activity that you can show off some different textures and kind of like a magic trick to make some shapes appear. So first of all, what is texture? That's kind of how things feel. Things can feel smooth or rough or maybe just bumpy or soft. Like this naughty special guest right here. He feels soft. Can you think of something at your house that feels soft? Maybe you have a really soft sweater or soft pants. I know you guys have had me feel this sweater, it's so soft. So okay, first thing, let's think of something soft. Archie, special guest Archie, has very soft fur. I also have some sweaters that are very soft and cuddly, some blankets too that are very soft. Okay, then the other one, we would say like a rough texture. Think of like sand, how it feels when you rub sand between your fingers. So maybe sandpaper. I don't think I have any sandpaper at my house. I'm gonna show you this. I wouldn't say this is necessarily rough, but an orange, it's not exactly smooth. It's not so rough that it will hurt you, but it does kind of have a rough texture. And then we have like bumpy. Look at this guy. Whoa. Definitely a bumpy texture, or Legos would be bumpy. Something that would kind of hurt if you step on it. Now Archie's trying to steal my stuff. Okay, so let's see. Think of what else. My shadow has these different textures. Mirrors or windows have that smooth. Oh, we didn't talk about smooth. Sorry, smooth texture. It's Archie helping. Piece of paper or a book. I have this magazine here, has a smooth texture. Your couch has maybe like a rougher texture. Again, not like it would hurt if you touch it kind of texture, but just not smooth. Okay, so we have smooth, rough, like sandpaper, bumpy, like this little ball or Legos, and then soft. Are there any else you can think of? Let me know in the comments, or have your mom and dad let me know in the comments. Okay, so then for our experiment or our activity, you're gonna need a piece of paper, a crayon, which preferably one without paper on it. This one I'm gonna have to peel the paper off, which is fine. And then some different objects we're gonna color on. We're gonna put the paper on top of the objects and color over it to see what shows up. So I'm gonna try that with the orange too, see what happens. So that's all for this intro, and then I'm going to show you some of my objects and show me doing the coloring. Be right back.